What's up, my dudes? Today I'm going to teach you a different method to think about whenever you are working with your protections and whenever you are just trying to focus on your own protections, like in your practice or in your day-to-day life. So think of it like this. Say you're going outside, like you're completely fresh, woken up, you just did your own thing, and then you're going outside. And then you notice it's cold. What are you going to do in this situation? Are you going to hype yourself up, get warm real quick, move fast, do everything that you need to do, and hurry up and get out the cold? Or are you someone that's going to take the time, put on a few more layers, maybe plan a different route, maybe adjust a few things, and then go about your day so that you don't really have to worry about it? Both of these are valid. Both of these are a valid option, and there's even more options than this. But between the two of these really tell me what kind of protection you are and what kind of protections that you are going to be working with. Now, if you're on one side and you're more of the fire and the wind type, and you're just like blazing through, if something is in your way, you just go through it, and then like anything that you need, you have on yourself. That's all you need, and then you just blaze through whatever knowledge, whatever experience you have, just paves the way, and then you're just out and about. Good for you. That's one different way of going about it. In the cold, it's going to be something that you really have to keep yourself up and motivated to be able to maintain that high energy, to be able to not basically be in the cold. Or you can be in the cold, but it's not necessarily going to be wearing you down. Versus if you're on the more of the plan ahead, maybe you put different layers on, maybe you plan a different route so you don't have to be in the cold as often, and then you do this so no matter how cold it is or no matter what situation you are in, you have what you need on hand, and then you know what to do. And that's a bit more like passive. Okay, maybe cold, maybe drop down in temperature, maybe it gets colder, maybe it gets colder, maybe it gets warmer, maybe it gets rainy, maybe it starts snowing. You don't really care because you have everything that you need set in place. These are two different frames of mind when thinking about this situation, but regardless, it's still going to be cold and you're still going to have to deal with it. So these are the things that I think are the most important when you're talking about protection. No matter what your method is, and no matter what type of mindset you want to lead with your protection, having something that you're working on and having something that you can actually go to for your protection is the best way of protecting yourself. If you're someone that needs to hype yourself up just to like make it through and then you're just blazing through everything, or if you're someone that needs to be a little bit more chill and be more direct in what you're doing, maybe you have a like slower pace to you, that's fine. Either way works, either way is going to be fine, and either way is a different way of going about using your protection to not only help you, but just to help you in the outside world, which is the cold, or just the raw energies of just living. But yeah, if you like this frame of mind and just this way of like thinking about your protection and your practice and just different ways of thinking about your own practice in a day-to-day living, just leave me in the comments below and I'll make more videos kind of like this. Also, if you like to know like longer videos than this, because it's just like a shorter version, then you can go to my YouTube where I'll post the full-length videos and also full videos demonstrating what I'm talking about, so it's not just a talking head. But yeah, have a good day in that life, enjoy yourself, be happy.